Hi there, and welcome to the January 2022 product update for iplicit. Today I'm going to show you some of the new and exciting features coming to iplicit this month. So let's take a look at some of the highlights for January 2022 release. The first item that we're going to look at today is the ability to export and import projects, as well as how you can now restrict which resources can see particular projects. We're then going to take a look at the new feature which now enables us to include charges on payments to suppliers. Then we will take a look at the ability of approving pending workflow authorizations as an admin user. Lastly, we'll take a look at the new single sign-in feature as well as the additions to the API. So first we're going to take a look at the new feature which enables us to import and export projects. This will be very useful for customers who have a high volume of new projects on a regular basis. If we go to projects, you can now see on the ellipsis the import and export options. I can export my existing project list and make amendments or use the template to create new projects, and once this is saved I can come back into iplicit and import the file. The system will then show you any created projects or updated projects. In addition to this, you can now select that a project uses resources and dictate which resources or resource groups can see the project. Now we're going to take a look at the ability to add in charges on supplier payments. Just like we could on customer receipts, on supplier payments we now have the ability to select a payment type with charges, and when paying a supplier we can add in a charge that has been predefined on the charges set up to the payment. Next, we're going to take a look at the new feature authorizing pending authorization workflows as an admin user. Just like we could do for approving steps, this will only be available to users with the correct user permission assigned. To authorize a pending workflow as an admin user, click on the ellipsis and select the option. Give it a reason and click Submit. And finally, we're going to take a look at the new single sign-on ability that complements the multi-factor authorization feature we introduced last year. In the environment defaults, admin users can now select which type of single sign-on providers to enable. Once this is enabled, users will need to link their accounts in the security section, and then they will have the option to use that method next time they log in on their domain. We have also improved our APIs. Please call us to arrange a call to take advantage of the APIs to integrate from and to iplicit. So let's take a look at what we've seen today. We have seen the introduction to importing and exporting projects, as well as the ability to now restrict resources able to see those projects. We have taken a look at the ability we now have to include charges on supplier payments. We have also looked at approving pending authorization workflows as an admin user. Then we looked at the new single sign-on feature and the improvements to our API. Thank you for watching the product update for January 2022. If you would like to know more, please do not hesitate to contact our support team with any questions or queries. We do offer online bite-sized training courses for any users who would like to learn more about the system, including some of the features that we've seen today. Our email address is support@iplicit.com. Thank you for watching.